everyone, welcome to the channel Rudrax Twins. As you know, this is Adarsh. This is Aman. Today topic is 25 GK regarding national bird of 25 countries. So I am going to ask my elder brother 25 questions. What is the national bird of New Zealand? The national bird of New Zealand is kiwi. What is the national bird of South Africa? The national bird of South Africa is blue crane. What is the national bird of America? The national bird of America is bald eagle. What is the national bird of China? The national bird of China is red-crowned crane. What is the national bird of Norway? The national bird of Norway is dipper. What is the national bird of Papua New Guinea? The national bird of Papua New Guinea is Rangina bird of paradise. What is the national bird of Bangladesh? The national bird of Bangladesh is Oriental magpie robin. What is the national bird of Ireland? The national bird of Ireland is lapwing. What is the national bird of England? The national bird of England is robin. What is the national bird of Japan? The national bird of Japan is green pheasant. What is the national bird of Kenya? The national bird of Kenya is rooster. What is the national bird of Honduras? The national bird of Honduras is scarlet macaw. What is the national bird of Bahamas? The national bird of Bahamas is greater flamingo. What is the national bird of Finland? The national bird of Finland is whisper swan. What is the national bird of Denmark? The national bird of Denmark is nude swan. What is the national bird of France? The national bird of France is garlic rooster. What is the national bird of Bahrain? The national bird of Bahrain is white-cheeked bulbul. What is the national bird of Iraq? The national bird of Iraq is chukar partridge. What is the national bird of Israel? The national bird of Israel is whoopie. What is the national bird of Malaysia? The national bird of Malaysia is rhinoceros hornbill. What is the national bird of Philippines? The national bird of Philippines is Philippines eagle. What is the national bird of Tuan? The national bird of Tuan is Tuan blue magpie. What is the national bird of Germany? The national bird of Germany is white stork. What is the national bird of Greece? The national bird of Greece is little owl. What is the national bird of Romania? The national bird of Romania is white pelican. If you enjoy our video, so please like, comment, subscribe and share. And don't forget to watch our on-screen video. Thank you. Have a nice day.